Hey.
I made food for my friends.
Okay.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Oh.
Here is some mashed potatoes with a little bit of cream cheese. I did not take the skin off because I'm tired.
That's fine.
Yeah.
To be fair, the skin usually has the most vitamins, unless there's pesticides, then I guess.
Nobody cares.
Okay.
Nobody's eating mashed potatoes for the health benefits. Anyways, then we have a pot roast with some brown gravy, carrots, and celery.
That actually looks amazing.
I am a hater of onions, so I cooked the onions in, but I took them out. And so if you want onions, you can have onions on the side. But not for me. I don't want them. Don't touch my pot roast.
Okay.
And then I'm also feeling lazy today, so we made garlic bread. And this is Texas Toast, the good brand. Yum. Nico!
Yes.
Dinner's ready.
Okay.
So greasy. I've been slaving, man.
I'm not gonna lie, you yelling till this day makes me like...
I have to practice my my mom yell.
Poor Nico.
Hi, welcome. So we have our buffet style. You can grab your little thing right here. Or
Wow.
do you want me to make you a plate?
Can I have a plate, please?
Yeah.
Okay, Nico. Julia, I don't mean
go.
to be that guy, but can you make Nico a plate maybe as well? It just doesn't taste as good when you have to do it yourself, I swear to God.
Okay. How hungry are you?
Yeah.
You like potatoes? You like everything?
WW.
Okay. Let me kind of mix this up. I see a little bit of cream cheese I didn't get all the way.
See? That's what I call happiness.
Well, I don't know. I'm not sure. Like, I'm not sure how much beef he wants. I'm not sure.
I mean, you can just do like a normal, like full-on like thing in a bob, you know?
Yeah, there'll be plenty for seconds.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of mashed potato. But also, Nico is like 6'10". So there we go.
That's goddamn right.
What are you, like 6'5"?
6'5" something, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Get a little bit of carrots in there.
Mmm.
And get the whole shebang bang.
Mmm.
Lots of gravy in there.
Mmm.
Okay. We'll get him a little toast on the side. Get him this one.
Mmm.
And then at the very top, we're gonna add, this is just for garnish, so it looks special, you know what I mean?
Wow.
There we go. Okay. All right, there you go. Yes, and there's plenty of bread and literally anything that you want. So, Arthur, you're next.
It's my turn.
Okay, there we go.
This is good.
Is it good?
Is it good? You don't have to lie either.
No, is it actually good?
No, it's good.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Shit, look at that. Huge
Yay.
W. Whoa.
Thanks for eating.
Whoa. Is this for me?
Yes.
W.
Okay, Arthur.
Mmm.
Okay, Arthur, this one's yours.
Wow.
You can switch them. Should we switch them back?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. There we go.
Thanks.
And I'll make mine. I'm watching my figure, so I guess I could have made more potatoes.
I don't know how much or if at all you want to eat on stream. You want
It's
to sit
okay.
there?
It's you know.
Actually, I can. Can I? No, I cannot.
I want more of the celery. I like celery. I'm just kind of slapping my plate together. Looks a lot more. I try to make everybody else's look presentable, and then mine is just like slopped on. All right, cheers, chat. Mine doesn't look as good, but there we go. All right. You don't gotta do all that. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Fine.
But you can try it real quick with me,
I will.
and then we'll join Nico.
Mmm.
Yum, guys.
Mmm.
Delicious. All right, tell me what you think, Arthur. Does it remind you of Germany? Maybe not, maybe, I don't know. Pot roast is so easy. So good though.
My children will be so happy for the mother that I picked.
What?
My God.
Your children?
This is so good.
Wait, try the Texas toast. You never tried Texas toast, and you gotta dip it in the gravy. So get it a little bit like, yeah, wet. Okay, yeah, that's perfect, yeah. I love Texas toast.
It is actually insane.
Especially that brand. Yummy, yay! Yay, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. Well, listen, chat. Today has been quite the freaking day. I've actually had such a great time with you guys. We've almost hit like an 8-hour stream today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Overworking.
Overworking? Well, not really. I feel like I haven't been live on my channel for a while, so I
Yeah,
feel like they deserved it.
Yeah, but that's the thing. It's like, for example, me, I really don't hit many hours at all. But I'm either always on somebody's stream or I'm doing something to have this go smoother. Does it make sense?
That is very true, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you guys for the sub. Oh wait, no, it was a 5 bomb. Crazy. Thank you, Black Snow.
Wow.
Black Snow, you guys are awesome. With that being said, chat, I do think that this will be probably the closing part of the stream.
Aww. This is so sad. Can we 5 gifted subs?
Oh my God, please don't start. Oh God, there we go. Herm, thanks so much.
Yay, W Herm.
I do want to take one big bite of this because look at that. And you put it right there. With that being said, chat, I absolutely will not be live tomorrow. The only chance that I will be live is if I'm doing like an alt stream playing games, but I don't think that'll even happen. I'm not even gonna tease you guys with that because I'll probably be drunk after dinner.